Question number 6. Let triangle ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 8 cm and angle B is equals to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Now in the question we are given the dimensions of the triangle. Firstly we are given that here we need to construct a right angle triangle ABC, and here angle B it is equals to 90 degree, and BC is given, it is 8 cm, and AB it is equals to 6 cm. So this is the rough figure of the triangle that we are going to construct. And now next we are told that we need to construct a perpendicular from point B to side AC, and here it is BD. We are told that BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. After that we are told that we should draw a circle that passes through these 3 points B, C and D. After we construct a circle like this, like so, we need to make tangents to the circle from point A over here. So this is what we are going to do now. So firstly let us begin by constructing a triangle. Here let us construct a triangle with base 8 cm. So firstly I have drawn a line segment that measures 8 cm, and let us name this BC. BC measures 8 cm. We are told that angle B it measures 90 degree. So let us construct a 90 degree angle. Take your compass. कोई भी एक fixed measurement लेना है as a radius. Keep the pointer at point B and draw an arc like this. Keep the pointer at this point. Draw another arc, and from this point draw another arc. Here let us get the point of intersection, and now we are going to bisect this distance. If we join B and this point we get 60 degree. B और इस point को join करेंगे तो 120 degree मिलेगा. So we are going to bisect this distance between 60 degree and 120 degree like this. Let us draw an arc, and from this point let us draw another arc, and here we got the point of intersection. Let us join B and this point, then we will get a 90 degree angle. So over here I have joined B and point, and let us measure this angle now. Here angle B it measures 90 degree. Now next on this ray we are going to take a point A which will be 6 cm away from point B, because यहाँ पर बोला है AB जो है वो 6 cm है. So let us measure 6 cm and keep the pointer at point B and draw an arc like this. So ये जो point of intersection है उसको हम A name करेंगे, and here AB it measures 6 cm. Join AC and here you have triangle ABC. Next हम लोग को एक perpendicular construct करना है from point B to side AC. So follow these steps. Keep the pointer of your compass at point B, and with any fixed measurement as the radius like this, draw an arc to intersect at one point, and over here construct another arc. So इसी point से fixed radius के साथ हमें 2 points मिल गए जो AC को intersect कर रहा है. अब हम इस distance को bisect कर लेंगे. तो इस point पे रखना है, more than half distance लेना है, and draw an arc like this and draw another arc from this point like so. So over here joining these 2 points will give us BD, and here this angle will be of 90 degree and this point is D. Let us measure it now. Here as you can see, this is perpendicular from point B on side AC. इसके बाद हमें कहा गया है कि हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है विच passes through these 3 points. For that we need to find the radius of the circle. अब हम जो सर्कल ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं उसका डायमीटर होगा BC because it is going to pass through these points. So diameter will be BC. Since it is a 90 degree angle, it is going to be inscribed in the semicircle. तो यहाँ पर BC अगर डायमीटर है तो उसका हाफ रेडियस होगा. So we are going to construct a perpendicular bisector of line segment BC and we will get the center of the circle which we are going to construct. For that, take your compass and take approximately more than half distance like this and draw an arc like so in both the direction, and then with point B as the center, draw arcs to intersect these previously drawn arcs. Joining the point of intersection, here we have the first point, here is the second point. Joining these two using dotted lines like this, we get the center of the circle. Now since BC is of 8 centimeter, this will be at 4 centimeter because it is the midpoint. Let this point be point O. अब इस point को center मानकर radius equals to OB which is equals to 4 centimeter exactly, and this is also equals to OC, right? We are going to construct a circle like this. And as you can see, this circle passes through point D. So that is when you know that your construction is right. अब यहाँ पर circle बन गया है. After that you need to construct tangents from this point A to this circle having center O. तो ये जो circle है इस पे हमें tangents construct करना है from external point O. So for this the steps are same like we used to do previously. आपको A और O को join करना है like this. After that ये distance को आपको bisect करना है. तो bisect करने का method same है. Point O पे रखेंगे more than half distance like so. एक arc यहाँ पर upwards and the other arc downwards like this. Keep the point at point B and draw arcs to intersect the previously drawn arcs. You can erase out the extra lengths of the arc so that it looks clean. Now these are the points, first point and the second point which you are going to join in order to get the midpoint of line segment A. So let us join these two and let the point of intersection this be M. M को center मानकर radius equals to AM like this, which is also equals to MO. You need to construct a circle. अब यहाँ पर circle जिस points को intersect करेंगे उन points को हम A के साथ join करने वाले हैं. As you can see, one of the points is B itself. And here we have already joined AB. So here this is one of the tangents, AB is one of the tangents, and the other tangent from point A to this point, let this point be X. Let us join these two as well. So here AX and AB, these are tangents to the circle with center O and radius 4 centimeter. So here we have constructed our required figure. Question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So in this question, we are not given any radius for our circle. We are told to draw a circle with the help of a bangle. So over here, let us draw a circle with the help of this bangle. So we will not know the center of this circle, nor we know the radius of this circle. So यहाँ पर एक circle construct कर लिया है and we are told to take a point outside the circle. So over here I have taken a point P. No measurements are given to us. We are asked to construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So whenever we are constructing tangents from an external point to the circle, the first step is to join the center of the circle to this point. है ना. मान लो अगर यहाँ पर कहीं पर सेंटर पॉइंट O होता तो हम OP को ज्वाइन करते, फिर उसको बाइसेक्ट करते, वो मेथड था. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास सेंटर नहीं है, तो बिना सेंटर के हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे tangents from this external point. So for that we are going to find the center of this circle. Now how will we find the center of this circle? For that you will have to revise a theorem which states that the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So here we will be constructing chords to this circle. So take any two points on this circle like this and join them, and here we have a chord. Similarly, take another point over here and join these 2 points. So you have 2 chords. Now I will tell you the reason why we have taken 2 chords. But to find the center, we are going to construct perpendicular bisector of these chords. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर इसलिए बना रहे हैं क्योंकि सेंटर से जो परपेंडिकुलर होगा वो कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट करेगा. तो हमारा जो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है वो सर्कल के सेंटर से ही पास होगा, राइट. तो यहाँ पर पॉइंटर रखेंगे मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस लाइक दिस. टेक अ डिस्टेंस विच इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मोर देन हाफ. नाउ दिस डिस्टेंस इज मोर देन हाफ, और you can take this distance more than half distance and draw an arc like this, and similarly draw an arc downwards. इस पॉइंट पर रखना है और ऐसे आपको दूसरा आर्क ड्रॉ करना है to get the points of intersection. Now we are going to join these 2 points like this. Here we have perpendicular bisector of this chord. Now we know that the center is somewhere on this perpendicular bisector, क्योंकि सेंटर से अगर हम perpendicular बनाएंगे तो chord bisect हो जाएगा. तो chord का अगर हम perpendicular bisector कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे तो वो कहाँ से पास होगा? सेंटर से पास होगा. अब यहाँ पर कहीं पर सेंटर है, यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, कहाँ पर है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट 1 more perpendicular bisector, और जैसे ही वो यहाँ से पास होगा आपको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मिलेगा, और ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन होगा दैट विल बी द सेंटर. नाउ लेट अस टेक मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली and let us construct an arc like this in both the directions, and from the other point as well. Let us get the points of intersection over here. Now let us join these 2 points carefully to find the center of this circle. तो यहाँ पर हमने इन points को join कर लिया, and here you have the point of intersection. This point is the center of our circle. Let us name this O. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने सेंटर से जो परपेंडिकुलर बनाया है वो इस कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसी तरह से सेंटर से जो परपेंडिकुलर है वो इस कॉर्ड को भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. तो यहाँ पर दोनों जो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स हैं उनके पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन से हमें सेंटर मिल गया. दिस इज़ द सेंटर and this is the radius of my circle. So if I trace this, as you can see here, I got the radius of my circle. That means point O is the center. अब यहाँ पर point O और point P को join करना है like this. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बाइसेक्ट दिस एज वेल. अब एक बार सेंटर मिल गया तो सारे जो स्टेप्स है वो रिपीट करने हैं हमें, जस्ट लाइक if you would do for a regular circle to find the tangents. So we are going to draw an arc upwards and downwards from point O, and similarly we are going to construct another pair of arcs to find the point of intersection like this and join them like so. To get the perpendicular bisector. So over here we have point M. M will be the center and the radius it should be equal to PM. It is also the same as MO, and we are going to construct a circle. This circle intersects our circle with center O at 2 points. Let this point be point A and इसको हम B नाम दे देंगे. P and A को join करने पर we get tangent PA, and when we join P and B like this we get tangent PB. So here we have constructed tangents from an external point P to our circle with center O.